Thank you. Now, officially, I would like to welcome the dignitaries who are present today for blessing us. And I'm really obliged and blessed that friends and seniors have blessed me and they have been present at 10 a.m. on Dashera when we used to have jalebi and fafda. So on this auspicious day, sparing time, and that to Jay sir, Milind sir, and other friends of mine, because I've tried, because now elections are very nearby. So I've tried to avoid that, avoid any kind of such confusions. So I've tried to invite only those people who are very, very close to me, irrespective of the fact whether they are contesting or not. But all these people who have blessed me in the journey of last 21 years, I've invited them humbly. And that too, because we have planned this event 3 days back. I've requested Jay sir. He immediately has agreed. And not only that, he has proposed that if you want to invite someone else, maybe president of ICI or maybe some other dignitary, then he'll be helping me to do that. But I always wanted Jay sir to be there because there are two reasons. One, he is from the city of Surat, my city. And second, in his last journey of 18 years of the councils, region council and the central council, he has always helped me a lot to contribute. And multiple times he has sent me to the indirect tax committee and the GST committee. So he has always been so helpful. So I wanted that this portal and this relaunch should be with his worthy hands. And the other request was from Milind sir, and I'm really blessed that he also could spare time and he is with us today. And over and above that, being a member of the Ahmedabad branch, the chairman of the branch is there. My own city's RCM is there, Balkishan ji. And the group chairman of South Gujarat Chamber of Commerce, Hardik Shah, is there. So I welcome all of you, and I am really thankful that you could spare time in making this event memorable for me. I'll be requesting Jay sir to formally inaugurate this GST portal, and then I'll be requesting Shailene to please show the features, and then we'll go for the wishes. I'll not take much time of yours. It's going to be 15 minutes within which I'll sum up this. I think Vikas ji was also there, but he is also there. So he is also very, very dear friend of mine. Rather, my address of Ahmedabad office is his office address. And he has been so supportive and so helpful that even though he is traveling in some family function, but still he could spare time to bless me. So welcome, Vikas ji. Jay sir, over to you.
A very good morning to all of you. I declare this portal to be virtually inaugurated. Thanks a lot, Avinash. Please continue with.
Shailene, if you can show the features. Welcome, PM sir.
Yes, sir. My screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. जैसे हम लोगों ने जीएसटी क्लब पोर्टल पहले 2016 में लॉन्च किया था, उसके बाद अभी इसको रीवैम्प करके जैसे सर ने बताया वैसे पूरा किया है। इसमें जो फीचर्स डाले हुए हैं, जैसे होम पेज पे सबका सम अप एक है। मैं स्टार्टिंग से ऊपर टैब से स्टार्ट करता हूँ। तो पहले एक एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस करके है। अभी एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस में जिसकी जो भी क्वेरी हो रिलेटेड टू जीएसटी, ही कैन पोस्ट द क्वेरी। सिंपली उसको नाम और ईमेल और उसका डालना है, कैटेगरी जो भी कैटेगरी में उसको क्वेरी पूछनी है वो क्वेरी सिलेक्ट करेगा, एंड देन ही कैन आस्क द क्वेरी। वो जैसे ही क्वेरी पूछेगा इसके मेल पे भी चला जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी आ जाएगा, देन उसका जो भी आंसर होगा तो वो भी यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा। इवन हमको जो क्वेरी सर्च करनी है, अगर कुछ फॉर एग्जांपल मेरा बैंक अकाउंट रिलेटेड या 83 के मैटर पे है, तो भाई मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट सर्च कर सकता हूँ कि भाई मेरा बैंक अकाउंट फ्रीज हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता, क्या है। देन ये एक आर्टिकल है, किसी को भी आर्टिकल लिखना हो या कोई भी अपना पोर्शन हो उसके ऊपर आर्टिकल्स के लिए डेली जीएसटी में जो भी अपडेट्स आती है उसकी ये न्यूज रिलेटेड है कि न्यूज ये आएगी। इसमें हम लोगों ने एक ये फीचर डाला कि न्यूज हम लोग जहाँ से ले रहे हैं उसका भी बेस यूआरएल दे रहे हैं, ताकि अगर पूरी एंटायर न्यूज वहां से रीड करनी हो तो वो भी वो कर पाए। देन ये एक आता है वीडियोस का पोर्शन, जो ऑलरेडी सारे वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड होते हैं सर के अलग अलग, तो वही अभी तो डाले हुए हैं, उसके बाद दूसरे भी सारे वीडियोस रखेंगे। देन डाउनलोड्स में आप एक्ट को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, सर्कुलर नोटिफिकेशन रूल्स जो भी आपकी इच्छा हो वो यहाँ से सीधा डाउनलोड हो जाएगा। देन एक इसमें हम लोग अभी ये और प्लान कर रहे हैं, जैसे एक जीएसटी 360 डिग्री अ कंप्लीट मास्टर गाइड, ईच सेक्शन लिंक विद रिलेवेंट रूल्स, नोटिफिकेशन, सर्कुलर्स, ऑर्डर, फॉर्म्स एंड केस लॉज। मीनिंग देयर बाय अगर मुझे जैसे सेक्शन 7 पे जाना है तो सेक्शन 7 आया, उसके रिलेटेड जितने रूल्स हैं अभी तक के, उसके जितने भी नोटिफिकेशन आए हैं, सर्कुलर्स हैं, ऑर्डर्स हैं, उसके रिलेटेड जो भी फॉर्म्स हैं, एंड इवन जो केस लॉज हैं वो भी सारे आएंगे। केस लॉ में अभी हम लोगों ने AAR हाईकोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से लिए हुए हैं फिलहाल फॉर द टाइम बिंग। सेम फिर एक उसके बाद एक और एक्स्ट्रा फीचर है, अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव 360 डिग्री एनालिसिस ऑफ लैंडमार्क जजमेंट जीएसटी विज़ अर्स्टवाइल प्रेसिडेंस। इसमें जो जीएसटी में जजमेंट आए हैं तो उसमें पीछे सर्विस टैक्स, एक्साइज या अर्स्टवाइल रिजीम के जो भी साथ में जजमेंट है उसका एक डिटेल एनालिसिस यहाँ पे करके डालने वाले हैं। देन कोर्स वीडियो एक है, कोर्स वीडियोस में जितने भी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड्स करते हैं या अलग अलग जो कोर्सेज चलते हैं, एक्ट सीरीज, रूल सीरीज, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टैट्यूटरी इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड लीगल मैक्सिम, वो सबका अपडेट्स यहाँ पे आएगा। देन अपकमिंग इवेंट्स में जो भी आने वाले इवेंट्स हैं या जो आगे जो भी है, अगर मैं यहाँ पे ही नीचे जाऊँ तो होम पेज से ही डायरेक्ट मैं आर्टिकल पोस्ट करना हो तो कर सकता हूँ, क्वेरी कर सकता हूँ, कोई भी जनरेट करनी हो तो। एक ये डेली डाइजेस्ट का फीचर जो हम लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में स्टार्ट भी किया था, फिर समहाउ वो बीच में 2 साल के लिए ब्रेक हो गया। इसमें ऐसा है, दिन भर में कुछ भी अपडेट्स आएगी जीएसटी के रिलेटेड, उसका एक कंपाइलेशन मेल बन के उनकी मेल पे रात को आ जाएगा। फिर वो मेल में से लिंक आएगी, उस पे से ओपन करके आपको वो न्यूज अगर पढ़नी हो तो आप उसमें से इजीली लिंक पे ओपन करके पढ़ सकते हैं। देन ये रिसेंट जो न्यूज है वो आएगी, वीडियोस, डाउनलोड्स, आर्टिकल्स, क्वेरीज जो भी आई वो रिसेंट यहाँ वाली आ जाएगी। यहाँ से ही आप डायरेक्ट जीएसटीएन पोर्टल पे जा सकते हो, काउंसिल, सीबीआईसी वेबसाइट्स एंड बाकी सारी चीजें हैं।
Thank you, Shalin. The only thing that I would like to say, Shalin ने सब बता दिया, but the only thing is daily digest. That is going to be the main feature of this entire portal, because whatever is happening across the country in GST, चाहे वो circulars आ रहे हैं या case laws आ रहे हैं, whatever, that will be compiled, and daily, by the end of the day, each of the subscriber will receive a mail, which will be daily digest, which will contain everything about GST. Which we can obviously, इतना सब हो रहा है तो हो सकता है कुछ छूट जाए, but majority of the things we'll try to cover that, and that is going to be the prime feature of this. And over and above that, we are going to come out with the 360 degree analysis, because आज की डेट में वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। 4-4.5 साल जीएसटी के हो गए, सेक्शन 83 में गुजरात हाईकोर्ट ने क्या बोला और दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट ने क्या बोला, उसका एक कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस बहुत जरूरी है। सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू दैट, and we'll be coming out hopefully by Diwali, that we are intending to launch. Now I welcome Naveen sir also, because being a Surat branch chairman, he is also available with us and he has spared time. Thank you, Naveen sir. I'll be requesting Jay sir to start first, and then I'll be inviting each one for their wishes.
A very good morning to all of you, my dear friend CA Avinash Poddar, because of whom we all are here today in the morning virtually meeting. PM Shah sir, Milind Mehta sir, my good friends Hardik Shah, Balkishan Agarwal, Vikas Jain, Naveen Jain, Vipul Shah, and all my dear friends. Once again, a very good morning. And first of all, let me compliment and congratulate Avinash Poddar for coming out with this wonderful portal. Well, I'm not very much a GST man. When he told me to inaugurate, Milind Bhai told him that I am not very much a man of GST. So better, if you want, I can get some person who is good at this in this particular domain, but somehow being a good friend of mine, he was biased in my favor, and he gave me this opportunity. Avinash, first of all, thank you very much. When a person of the stature of Milind Mehta is there and I get this opportunity, it's a luxury for me, I can tell you. Well, friends, you all know very well GST has been a game changer, not only for the profession, it's going to prove for the country. I do agree. I do agree there are many issues, conceptual issues, right? There are many political issues. That is because of our constitutional setup and implementation issues. I don't have to tell anything on that. Bureaucracies would have might have taken a little more care of that, but whatever the case, India is a big nation, so issues are bound to be there. But yes, GST is going to be a big thing, has already actually been a big thing, and is going to change everything. I really compliment Avinash for coming out with such a wonderful portal, which is accessible to everyone, to professionals, chartered accountants, advocates, maybe clients, maybe even those people who are curious to know something about GST. So my best wishes, Avinash, for this particular thing. If I talk about Avinash, I have seen Avinash from the time he came to Surat. It is more than 2 decades I have seen. And I have seen the enthusiasm he has. The most crucial thing that I find with this gentleman is the enthusiasm. He will try one thing and put good efforts in that, then he will try, and that is a continuous journey, continuous. People will look at his success in the last few years, maybe after GST, he has become a national figure. But I have seen him from the beginning. People can look at the fruits in the last 4 or 5 years, but I have seen the time when the seeds were being sown. For all the young chartered accountants or young lawyers who are listening to me, young professionals, I can say that we all require maintaining enthusiasm the way he maintains, the way he devotes time for upgradation, the way, he's curious to learn new things, to try new things. I think that is really great. And I'm very, very happy that he's taking my city, Surat, to the nation and maybe globally. So, and I've seen so many good things. Of course, his team at office as well as home. Avinash keeps on sharing number of messages. I do not respond immediately to all the messages. Once he sent a message about the team, and he has a wonderful team at home also and at office also. So at that time, immediately I responded. I congratulate the entire team of Avinash Poddar at his office, at his home. And I'm sure this portal is going to be of immense value to all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious and kind words. Now I will take the liberty to invite Milind, sir, because he has been a mentor for me in last 24 years. The day I came to Surat and then I shifted to Baroda for classes along with one of my friends. And there I met Anchal, and the entire journey began. And I cannot forget one event that certainly I would like to share in public now. Anchal has filled a form for both groups in CA finals. Somehow she got the admission letter only for one group. And that was the moment when I approached Milind sir. He has helped us. And finally she got the, what I can say, admission, or what the admit card for both the groups. And she appeared in both the groups and she cleared. So that is something which I can never forget, the help. And there are a lot of other events which I can share, and that is going to take a lot of time. So Milind sir, I'm really blessed that you are there to bless me. Please, sir.
Thank you, Avinash, for calling me. Wish you all the very best, the entire Avinash Poddar team, Dr. Avinash Poddar team. I still see him as a kid, honestly speaking. Though, of course, the age difference may not be very high, significant, but, I think I have seen him growing, like what Jai has told me. Like Jai, I am also not a man of GST at all. Everyone knows. And, when someone in my office came and asked me, sir, how do I find your name as part of an acknowledgement in a GST book or a VAT book, where it was written? I said, that's good of Avinash to have mentioned that. I don't know whether I deserve that. But I must tell you 2 reasons why I'm here today, right? First is, of course, to wish Avinash, because I have been very proud about Avinash, Anchal, and whatever that they have achieved in the last so many years. एक तो वो चीज, और दूसरी दो चीज थी। एक तो मैं जब भी अविनाश को कोई भी पब्लिक फंक्शन में मिलता तो वो खामोखा, he praises me so much that it makes my day. And then to top it all, what he did was that he said that Jai is going to inaugurate, and I know Jai also is extremely kind to me, wrongfully, that he also praises me a lot. So I said, यार दशहरा के दिन इतने अच्छे लोगों को मिलना और इतने अच्छे लोगों की अपने बारे में अच्छी चीज बोलना, जो मैं जानता हूँ चुप है, तो फिर भी I think this was very kind. Thank you very much. And let me tell you something which is interesting. In earlier times, when we used to see the Harry Potter books, Harry Potter movies, when you used to see, there used to be a book which would come and the book would speak. And these were all live books. I am sure that all of you would see, these are all live books where, you see and book starts speaking to you and they interacting with you. That was the Harry Potter book. I'm sure that all of you who have seen that, that's the way in which the books are. I think this site is almost like the Harry Potter book, where, when you open, it actually starts talking to you. It starts communicating. When I saw that, of course, apart from very handsome photograph of Avinash, I think the contents of that have been so good. In fact, I'm sure that it is going to be very live book. I think when you talk about live means that it is very current. The nature of the site, which is very important, it's not a static site. It changes every day, it improves every day, and it is a place where people would be able to contribute and collectively share the wisdom. Avinash and your team, I think you have done a wonderful job of not only compiling it, because you have always been very good in respect of this, but sharing it with the professionals. I think this is a great job which you have done. It's a great service to the profession of all the taxpayers and all the industries in respect of that, and the tax advisors. So wish you all the very best in your endeavors. And I somehow, whenever I see your video of singing on the various social media, I don't know where do you find time for that. If you are doing all these things, where do you find time for the purpose of ensuring that you still continue to maintain that hobby, but continue to remain as lively, as vibrant, as enthusiastic as what Jai has said in your life, and continue to contribute back to the profession. Wish you all the very best. And I'm very glad that I'm here. And I'm extremely thankful to you and Jai both for the purpose of extremely kind words about me and for inviting me. Thank you very much. Avinash and team, all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And you rightly mentioned, sir, this is going to be a live website because we intend to get it updated on a daily basis, not only the updations so far as the compilation is concerned, but also pertaining to the section-wise amendments and the cases. So that is the intention of having this portal live, because now it's a time when the youngsters are not preferring reading books, hard books. They prefer doing Google. So in spite of doing that, we have tried to incorporate everything live, and it is going to be updated on a virtual basis, almost on a daily basis. So that is the intention. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now, I would wish, and I feel grateful in inviting Harit Bhai, being the chairman of Ahmedabad branch, to please share his kind words.
Thank you, sir. Very respected Central Council member of ICICI, Jai Shahara, sir. Milind Mehta, sir, Avinash ji, and all the dignitaries who have joined us virtually. A very good morning to all of you, and wishing you all a very happy Dussehra. And what a wonderful day today to launch this, relaunch this wonderful website. I think about this website, I can just tell you during the lockdown, this is the first time that we used to, see and learn from this website and from all the seminars that Avinash ji used to do. And I'm sure with the relaunch, with the kind of 360-degree that view that he is going to provide, all the professionals are going to benefit a lot. So thank you so much, Avinash ji, for always providing that human service to all the professionals. At Ahmedabad branch, we are always very lucky to have you as a part of our member and as a faculty always. And we are also looking forward to many more sessions with you. And I just hope you and your team, wish you and your team all the very best for this wonderful website. And great, I'm very happy to be here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm not following any, what I can say, sequence. It's just whatever is appealing to me, I am inviting them. So please don't take it like कि पहले RCM को बुलाना था and उसको बुलाना था. I'm not following that. Please excuse me for that. Now I'll invite Naveen sir because he's the chairman of Surat branch.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. What a wonderful day, sir. Though I have been late, sorry for that. But when I was looking at your website, sir, it was a very wonderful. और जो मुझे लगता है अब जो वो WhatsApp में क्वेश्चन आंसर चलते रहते हैं, शायद आपने उसका आंसर एक्चुअली में ले आया आज. Now the people who directly look into your GST club and find the solutions is the best way, sir. Wonderful wishes for you for this website. I think this initiative will take a long way, and even for the newcomers, especially I think जिन्हें पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं है जैसे आपने कहा है या फिर पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं, उनके लिए आपका जो सोर्स है that is going to be extremely good. So happy Dussehra to everyone, and once again thank you for inviting me, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now Balkishan ji.
Thank you very much, Avinash bhai, and very congratulations for virtual relaunch of this knowledge portal of GST Club. And happy Dussehra to all of you, respected Jay sir, Milind Mehta sir, and all my dear friends. And from the inception of GST, we are seeing the contribution you have made, Avinash sir. We all chartered accountants know you very well on pan India basis, but जो सूरत के एक businessman हैं, they also know very well to Avinash sir. Avinash sir ने from the inception of GST इतने ग्रुप मीटिंग्स जितने भी हमारे बिजनेस फॉर्म हैं उनके ऊपर भी जितनी भी नॉलेज शेयरिंग होनी चाहिए, जितने भी इश्यूज थे रिलेटेड टू जीएसटी, उसके लिए इतना मतलब कुछ किया है. तो सो Avinash sir has contributed a lot in the specifically in the field of GST. So by this portal, definitely our CA members, our fraternity members, and all the people who are doing the work in GST definitely benefited a lot. So very great contribution you have done already, Avinash bhai, in this field, and by this side, people will get benefited more and more. So thank you very much for inviting me. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. अब कुछ फ्रेंड्स की बारी है, तो I'll start with विकास जी, if you are there.
Yes, sir. So first of all, heartiest congratulations and compliments to Avinash bhai, Anchal bhabi, Shalin also, who works relentlessly with Avinash bhai and entire team. It's a great moment for me, I would say, to be here on this pleasant morning of Dussehra and to be a part of this program. Avinash bhai is like an elder brother, I would say, and I've seen him for the last 15 years almost, and he's so dedicated, so committed to the profession. So many qualities he do have, like he's a prolific singer, he's a cricketer, played Ranji Trophy, and not only that, the main thing that we all know is he's a great speaker, contributor to the profession. So yes, Avinash bhai is so dedicated, I would say. At times doctor has advised him not to travel or not to go, but whenever any lecture or something was there, he always used to say yes, irrespective of anything. And I must say that this website is going to help a lot to all the professionals, to the business community and whatnot. Avinash bhai, once again, congratulations to you, and I must say that keep contributing the way you are doing service to the profession. It will definitely be a great asset for the entire profession, and you are proud of not only of Surat but of Gujarat and India. Thank you very much, Avinash bhai. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for your kind words. Hardik bhai, I think he is disconnected. He is joining. PM Shah sir, if you are available, we certainly look forward for your wishes and blessings.
Avinash bhai, I will tell that it is all the best to you. You are not only doctor, but you are the person who can deliver everything to everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank
all
you
the
so much.
best to you.
Thank you. Hardik bhai.
Thank you, Avinash. What should I say about you? A very kind person. Since beginning, I think we used to study together. And I've been observing you since that library days that you are such a hard worker, and we have seen your hard work, dedication, a noble person, a thorough gentleman, eminent speaker. And in spite all this, you are a very good singer as well. So we used to cherish your songs every now and then on Facebook and YouTube. If I would say about you, you are the pioneer of GST knowledge sharing across India, because the way you took the pain traveling pan-India basis and sharing your thoughts and views, I think that had made so many people more interested in practicing in GST field. I think this website again would prove to be a very important in the life of professionals like we, chartered accountants, advocates, other professionals, even for clients as well as even for industry. Because when Shalin shows the glimpse of your website, I think you try to cover almost each and everything, and it will be a very handy compiled data to analyze any situation, just like you quoted the section 83, and there are so many anomalies in other sections as well. But if you can compile all other sections related various judgment also, I think that will give tremendous help to all the professionals. I wish you all the success, Avinash, and I believe now you should move ahead with your agenda, and I think my always blessings are there. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. With the permission of Jay sir and Milind sir, can I take 5 minutes more? Because there are few friends who will certainly like to share their wishes, and I would like to invite them. Amish, a very good friend of mine from Baroda. जब से गुजरात में आया हूँ तब से he is with me, and always in every endeavors he is there. Yesterday also, since because I was there in court, I reached back to Surat around 2 a.m. in the morning. But Amish was working day in day out for making this website a reality, and we are also launching my Delhi office today. So he has been working in that also. Last कल रात को 2 बजे तक वो मेहनत कर रहे थे, and still he is available with us. So I'll be inviting Amish.
थैंक यू अविनाश. अक्टूबर हमारे लिए स्पेशल महीना है वैसे देखा जाए तो. अविनाश की बर्थडे भी आ रही है, और हमने जो भी काम किया है ना अब तक वो ज्यादातर अक्टूबर में हुआ है. राइट फ्रॉम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट से लेके कुछ भी बोला. आज विजयादशमी है, तो अब तक का जो भी काम हमने किया है उसके पीछे का क्रुक्स देखे. जैसे सबने बोला कि अविनाश भाई के पास बहुत अच्छी टीम है, घर पे है, ऑफिस में है, तो उसके पीछे अविनाश का नेचर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब उसका नेचर ऐसा है, वो सिर्फ 2 सेंटेंस बोलता है और बाकी सब काम हो जाता है. तो वो उसके पीछे का जो राज है उसकी खुद का डेडिकेशन. सबसे पहली बात, जब से वो हरिद्वार छोड़ के आया हुआ है यहाँ पे, और तब मोमेंट से हम साथ में है गुजरात में. जैसे उसने बोला, सबसे जिस दिन से वो गुजरात में आया तब से मैं उसके साथ हूँ. उस दिन से आज तक उसका किसी भी चीज में डेडिकेशन कम नहीं हुआ है, किसी भी चीज में. और उस डेडिकेशन की वजह से उसके साथ जो टीम होती है ना, वो ऑटोमेटिकली डेडिकेटेड ही हो जाती है. क्योंकि आपका अगर मेंटर सही है, आपका ओनर सही है, आपका बॉस सही है, तो आपको हर चीज उसके पीछे करने की इच्छा होती है. और ये सबसे बड़ी हम सबके लिए, हमको तो ऐसा ही होता है कि अविनाश ने बोला है कि ये काम करना है, तो कैसे भी करके कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करना है, क्या करना है, वो ऑटोमेटिक हो ही जाता है. और जीएसटी क्लब जब से लॉन्च हुआ है उसके बाद से अब तक उसके पीछे बहुत सारी मेहनत है, बहुत रातों की मेहनत है. एवरीबडी नोज दैट. और जैसे बोला कि आप कैसे टाइम निकाल लेते हो गाने के लिए, तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है आज की डेट में कि हम इसके अलावा जो जॉब प्रोफाइल है हमारा, उसके अलावा और कुछ कर ही नहीं पाते. तो बहुत बड़ी चीज हमको लगती है कि अविनाश ये टाइम निकालता है. उसके लिए जो मैनेजमेंट करता है ना, उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है उसका टाइम मैनेजमेंट और उसका वर्किंग पैटर्न. उसका वर्किंग पैटर्न ही सबसे बड़ी चीज आज तक हमको लगती है कि उसने जो ठान लिया वो होता है, और उसके पास पूरी टीम खड़ी रहती है. इसको उसका डेडिकेशन को सैल्यूट है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. राइट फ्रॉम द सीए बनने के बाद से अब तक की उसकी पूरी जर्नी, आई नो. तो वो जर्नी में हर जगह पे मैं था. आई एम थैंक्सफुल टू अविनाश I'm thankful to entire team who was right now joining on the auspicious day of Dussehra and having a launch of GST portal. So thanks once again, the entire team, Achal Bhabhi, as usual, uncle, auntie, everybody. उन सबका support भी उसके साथ उतना ही है. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Pramod ji, are you available? He is from Pune, partner in my CA firm.
Yes, sir. Good morning and happy Dussehra to everyone. And I must say congratulations to you, Avinash. I think we spoke few days back, and today we are here with the website. So that's, I think, the speed you work with. So I must say it is a great moment for all of us. And on my side, I would say I'm fortunate to get associated with Avinash. I think probably 2.5 years back I met him, and today I have a very good, I would say he's like my brother and guide in all the activities that I do, even in my insolvency practice. So I think a great person to work with, and I must say, best wishes to all the areas that you wish to achieve in the coming future, and we all will be together. So thank you very much and best wishes again.
Thank you so much. And I think Vipul Bhai is also there. He is one of my partners in my litigation practice. Vipul Shah, are you available?
Yes. A warm good morning to everybody and a happy Dussehra to all the present dignitaries. I'd like to congratulate Avinash Bhai, and he's the, there are no words which can praise his hard work. And always I've seen he has stretched himself. The entire day he's busy with the litigation work and office work, and he finds time at night, late nights, and he has authored so many books. He has contributed greatly to the profession, and see his dedication that during lockdowns he has conducted so many online courses, free courses, where thousands of professionals and non-professionals, accountants have taken a benefit out of it. So I really cherish and wish you all the best that you maintain this spirit and contribute to the profession. I congratulate you once again and the entire team. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Now I'll be inviting Anchal, if she is there, to propose word of thanks to the dignitaries like Jay sir, Milind sir, and other friends of mine. Anchal, are you available? I think she has joined, but she's not there. Anyways, I will take this liberty and the honor of thanking each one of you, because you all have made my day. मेंटरशिप तो आप लोग करते ही थे, आप लोगों को फॉलो करता था इतने साल से, एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी अ फॉलोअर ऑफ मिलिंद सर की, उनकी जो एक्सपर्टीज है डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस में, जिस तरीके से वो आईटीटी में आर्ग्यू करते थे एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो जय सर फॉर हिज स्पिरिट, बिकॉज मैं भी शुरू से एक टीचिंग की फील्ड में इंक्लाइंड था, सो आई ऑलवेज फॉलोड हिम. उनकी व्हाट आई कैन से, उनकी जो एनर्जी है या उनका जो यूथ आई वुड से है, उसको हमेशा से मैं फॉलो करता था, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ एफर्ट्स ही वाज पुटिंग इन, और उसके बाद भी इतने एनर्जेटिक रहते थे. आई यूज्ड टू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट. बालकिशन, द वे एंड द मैनर इन विच ही इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द सोसाइटी, एंड जो पिछले 2 साल में कोविड के समय में द कंट्रीब्यूशंस व्हिच ही हैज डन immensely, that was motivating me to work as hard as possible, because I always believe, very strongly I believe, that there is no shortcut to success, specifically to those जहाँ पे कोई हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट्स ना हो या बहुत अच्छा बैकअप ना हो. So immensely I was motivated seeing Balkishan ji and then Vikas bhai, the way and the in which he has worked hard, because I know his entire journey, wo Assam se jab Gujarat mein, and the kind of efforts he has put in. So I am thankful to each one of you, Harit bhai, Naveen bhai, Vipul bhai, PM Shah sir. It's सोने पे सुहागा कि आपका blessings मिला, and कुछ एक अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट होने के बावजूद भी हार्दिक एंड पीएम शावर सर वर देयर, so it is a really proud privilege and a proud moment for me. Once again, I thank each one of you for being there, for blessing me and guiding me, and I'll wish and I request to keep motivating me, keep guiding me, so that I can not only contribute to the profession, but I can make this profession a proud profession. That is the only thing that I would like to share. And yes, I would also like to announce that to be handy, it is not only the portal that we have launched, we are also launching the app, because that app is going to be more handy. आजकल हम मोबाइल के बिना तो 5 मिनट भी नहीं रह सकते. So that app is going to come, which is Android based and the Apple also. Both will be there, and probably by next month we will be coming out with the app also. So keep blessing me and motivating me, Milind sir, Jay sir, and all the dignitaries. Thank you so much for sparing your time and making my day. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Avinash bhai. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Avinash, and all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.